So this video is designed to introduce you to Flashback Recorder. It's software which allows you to obviously record what's on the screen. At the same time, it will record audio. And when you go to the website, flashbackrecorder.com Express, you're going to see that we actually have two options. When you go to downloads, you can download the paid-for version, the Flashback Pro, and you can get a 10-day trial, or you can use the one which I'm going to be showing you in today's video, Flashback Express. It's free. You can't do anything fancy with it. If you want to start editing or cropping or doing anything else, you would need to use the Pro version. But so far, I've been absolutely fine with the Express version. If you do decide to have a go at using the Pro version, there are a bunch of tutorials which show you how to do all sorts of different things. And you can simply, obviously, work through those. But if you want to go ahead for now and download the Express version, and you can see that on my desktop I have the shortcut here. I can't go into it because obviously I'm using it to record as we speak. And so what I've done is taken a series of screenshots which are just designed to show you what happens when you have it installed and are ready to use it. So in this case, I've just clicked on the shortcut key, and you can see it comes up with the settings window and it asks you if you want to change the microphone or anything else. I've always been happy with the default settings, so I've never had to change that. And then I simply go to the record button. And then it gives you a countdown, which is nice. It gives you a countdown, and when it gets to 0, it will simply close, and then you will need to start thinking about talking. You might want to leave a slight second or two before you start talking because there does seem to be a little bit of a lag. And when you're ready to finish your recording, like it says here, you're just going to press Shift, Control, and S, and it will automatically exit for you. Okay, so you've pressed Shift Control S, and what it's going to ask you next is, do you want to save or do you want to discard the recording? And if you know that you're not happy with it, then just click on discard and you can start recording again. If you think you might be happy with it, click on save and save it in the default file format. So you can see up here, I haven't saved it yet, but yeah, I will do. And then it will ask you, do you want to play it? And so you should obviously always play it before you decide that it's acceptable. And so the answer is going to be yes. If you're happy with what you see and hear, you're then going to need to export it. Okay, so next slide, you're going to go up to File, you're going to go down to Export, and I would suggest choosing the Windows Media Video. And then after you've clicked on OK, I always choose Home Movie. You could probably make some alterations if you wanted to, but I just click on Home Movie and then click on Export. And it may take a minute or so to actually finish exporting. Obviously save it somewhere where you can easily access it and will remember where to find it. And then after that, you have a choice. My video tutorials have been between 5 and 20 minutes long. I've been showing how to do various programming exercises. If it's 5 minutes, it should be fine to put it on C4. If it's not, if it's longer than that, so I know when I tried to upload a video which was 15 minutes long, it just rejected it, then you may have an issue. And so, like I said, if you want to try uploading it onto C4, you can add a file under Resources, and then you can go to the video, the media option. You can browse your repositories and click on Choose File. And so let's just say, let's go for this one. I'm going to click on Upload this file. And I'm fairly sure that this one was too long, it wouldn't upload it. So what I've been doing is uploading the videos onto YouTube. And you might want to do the same. They allow for larger video sizes. So anything over 10 minutes, I would recommend YouTube. You can try it on C4. Just, I don't know that it will necessarily work. I don't know that Moodle has the capabilities. And so if you do decide to upload it onto YouTube, you can obviously make the settings private or public and you can take away comments, or you can keep comments, or whatever actually you want to do. So you can see it's exceeded the post size, so that's a no-go. So YouTube has been a sort of savior, if you like. That's what I've been using. And then I just copy and paste the links. And if I just go back to the previous page, so you can see here I've got video tutorial, and the link will take me directly to the YouTube page. The same for these ones. If you have any questions, send me an email. I know that was a very quick tour through the software. So if you have any questions, just let me know.